In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the remote procedure call failed, the app does not support the contract specified, or is not installed. So this would typically occur if you're trying to install apps on the Windows Store, on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the remote procedure call service. So scroll down here. And you want to actually double click on the remote procedure call locator service. Just go ahead and double click on it. And you want to set startup type to manual. And you want to go ahead and start the service here. And now that you've done that, go ahead and select OK and close out of here. And open up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, you want to go down to Windows Store apps and select the run button. And then I'd recommend following along with any suggestions it prompts you for. And then once you're done, go ahead and close out of everything and restart your computer. And hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.